Okay, in this video, I want to talk to you about this is a gate in quantum computers called the double C naught gate. The double C naught gate. I think I talked about this earlier in the video months ago, but I want to retouch on it. And there's really two names that you could call it either or. You can call it the double C naught gate, or you can call it the Toffoli Gate. And the reason why I'm doing this video again is because even though I did it a few months back, is because I want you to know that there's another name for this gate. It's not just double C naught. You also can call it the Toffoli Gate. All right, so the Toffoli Gate, we have a traditional X gate here, and then above it, on the next circuit line, you'll have a control, and then above that, you'll have another control. So that's why it's called a double C naught gate, because the double C stands for double control. You have a control here and you have a control here. So that's why it's called double C. And the knot is the X gate, because that's another name for the X gate is not the knot gate, or you can call it the knot gate or you can call it the X gate. But like I said, another name for the X gate is the knot gate, right? So you can call it either or. And the control, you can call these dots, you either call them control or C, right? They can either be called a C or a control, these dots that are connected to the X gate. All right, so you understand that. And this is the coding for the gate. So if you want to do software code to code this gate, if you don't have access to the gates as far as like on a diagram, if you want to put them on the circuit lines, you put CCX for double C, and the X is the NOT gate or the X gate, because the double C is the controls, two controls. Then you put Q bracket 0, comma Q1, comma Q2, and then semicolon. Or if you want to move this down, you just change the 0 to 1, change this 1 to 2, and change this 2 to 3, and you can move this double C naught gate down 1. See how it moved down? Now you're going to see it move down another 1. I'm going to change this 1 to a 2, and I'm going to change this 2 to a 3, and I'm going to change this 3 to a 4, and you see it move down again, right? So that's how you change that. And you can do the software code to make the gate appear here. And if you want to adjust to where you want it on the circuit lines, you just change the numbers, and it'll adjust to a different location on the circuit line grid. All right, so let me just say this once again. You can call these dots C, or you can call them controls, right? This dot is a control, this is a control, and this right here is the X gate, or you can call it the NOT gate, where you see this X right here, and they're connected to the controls. The X gate or the NOT gate, however you want to call it, is connected to these two controls, right? We call these controls. That's it.